Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to make a transparent background in Adobe Express. Adobe Express offers a straightforward way to create images with transparent backgrounds. So here's a step-by-step guide. First of all, tap Open your Adobe Express application on your mobile device. Once you open up the app, from the main home page, go ahead and upload your image you want to make transparent. Simply go to the bottom right corner and click on the plus button. Now, click on Upload Media at the bottom and select Photo Library to choose a photo from your device's camera roll. Select the picture you would like to make your background transparent on. After you do that, click on Done at the top right in order to import the picture on your timeline. After you import the picture, simply select the picture from the preview and then, at the bottom of the screen, click on Remove Background. It will now automatically remove the background from your picture. After you remove your background, go ahead and download the image as PNG. Click on the Download button at the top right and, from the file format, make sure you select PNG. Now click on Download and you will be able to make transparent background in Adobe Express. The PNG format supports transparent background, so there you have it. That is how you can easily make transparent background in Adobe Express. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.